In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size and font style in Outlook. Whether you're using the classic desktop app or the new Outlook and Outlook.com in the browser, I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so your emails look the way you want every time you compose or reply. Let's start with classic Outlook on the desktop. Open Outlook, then head to the File menu in the top left. From there, choose Options, and in the window that opens, select Mail. This is where most of your message settings live. Click the button labeled Stationery and Fonts. Under the Personal Stationery section, you'll see separate options for new mail messages, and for replying or forwarding messages. This separation is handy if you want a bolder look for new emails and something more subtle for replies. Click the Font button for the area you want to change. In the font box, pick your preferred font family, choose the style like regular, bold, or italic, and set the size that's comfortable to read. When you're happy, click OK to confirm. These changes apply to future messages, so they won't alter emails you've already written, but they'll save you time going forward and keep your formatting consistent. Now, if you're using the new Outlook or Outlook.com in your browser, the settings are in a slightly different place. Click the gear icon for settings in the top right. In the panel that opens, select Mail, then go to Compose and Reply. Scroll to the Message Format section. Here, you can choose your default font, set the size, and pick styling like bold or italic. Set it up just the way you prefer: clear, readable, and consistent with your tone. When you're finished, make sure to click Save so your choices stick. Just like in the desktop version, these defaults apply to new emails and replies you compose from now on. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you choose your defaults. Pick a font that's widely supported and easy to read, especially if you email people who use different devices. A size that's too small can be hard on the eyes, while overly large text can look unprofessional. If you often reply in long threads, consider using a slightly smaller size for replies to keep things neat, and a comfortable size for new messages to make your first impression clear and readable. That's all there is to it. Set your defaults once, and let Outlook do the work. Thanks for watching.